So what we have to do in this, we have to find electric field due to an infinitely charged conducting plate. So let us take a plate. So we were making the diagram of the plate. Have you written the previous one?
Yes, sir.
So let us make the diagram of plate. So positively charged. We have made a small cylinder. Electric field E. This is plate P. One end of the cylinder which lies inside the conducting plate does not contribute to the electric flux. Contribute next is second point. There is no contribution by the CSO, that is curved surface area. Third is it is only the end phase of area S of the cylindrical surface around P which contribute towards electric flux. So surface interior you do this will be EdS. This is equal to E into S. Total surface area is S. Charge enclosed inside the Gaussian surface. Inside the Gaussian surface. How much will be charged? Total charge Q, this will be equal to sigma S. Sigma is what? Charge density. Do you have any problem? According to Gauss theorem, use Gauss theorem. Previous page you have
क्या
written?
हुआ?
Previous page have you written? Have you written till here? Q is equal to sigma S. Next was integral EdS. This is equal to Q by epsilon naught. Have you written this much? Sazia, have you written this much?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now combine it. So what you will get? ES is equal to sigma s upon epsilon naught. Hello? हाँ ठीक है. So after this you see ES is equal to sigma s upon epsilon naught. Cancel this. What you are getting? What is sigma here? Charge density. Epsilon naught. Are you following it?
Yes, sir.
So this is the formula. E is equal to sigma upon epsilon naught. Anything is left inside this? Definition of electric flux you have prepared? We'll solve numerical, right? This is your numerical problem. All the concept of this chapter is completed. We have to do numerical. Numerical problem 1. 2-point charges of plus 16 coulomb. This is microcoulomb and minus 9 microcoulomb are placed eight centimeter apart in air. What you have to do? Determine the position of the point at which the resultant electric field is zero. We have to solve it. Question is clear to you? First make the diagram of this question. This is A here, then B is here. Value of A is 16 microcoulomb positive and value of B is minus 9 microcoulomb. It's a negative. So check here what is electric field. Electric field E1 will be here and E2 will be here. This will be E2. So distance between A and B is 8 centimeters. So electric field intensity at P, here you should find, due to charge Q1. Due to charge Q1. Do you know the formula of electric field?
Yes, sir.
Tell me the formula.
1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into charge, that is Q upon R square.
Correct, correct. So here we'll not write R square, here we'll write X square. And at the place of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, you write KE. q1 upon x square. This is equal to
Yes.
ke q2 upon y square. So ke cancel. What you'll get finally? X square divided by y square. This is equal to q2. You'll write here q1 upon q2. Are you following it?
Yes, sir.
I should change the page.
No, sir.
Write it, then I will change the page.
Sir, change it.
Okay. So ratio of x with y, x upon y is equal to under root q1 upon q2. Take the square root. Now what you do? Substitute the value. q1 stands for 16 microcoulomb. Right here 16 microcoulomb. q2 stands for 9 microcoulomb. These microcoulomb cancel. What is the square root of 16? 4. Square root of 9, that is 3. Now x upon y, this is equal to 4 by 3. So check in the diagram. X will be equal to y plus 8 upon y. This is equal to 4 by 3. Solve it now. Do cross multiplication. 4y is equal to 3y plus 24. Transpose it now. 4y minus 3y is equal to 24. Y is equal to 24. What will be x? X is equal to y plus 8. That is 24 plus 8, 32. So this is the answer of this question. At this point, electric field will be equal. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
We'll go for the next question. I shall change the page.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next numerical is 4-point charges. Your problem is 4-point charges. Q, comma 2Q, 4Q and 2Q are placed at 4 point A, B, C and D respectively. On the circumference of circle of radius r is equal to 2 meter. The value Q is 4 microcoulomb. The line AC and BD are perpendicular to each other. Write the formula for the electric field at the center O of the circle due to each of these charges. Draw a vector diagram representing the four electric fields. Have you written? Hence, obtain the magnitude and direction of electric field. At O due to all four charges combined. Do you have any kind of problem? Have you written it? Still writing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write it and then tell it to me. Then we'll solve it together.
Sir, written. Sir, written.
Written?
Yes, sir.
Your problem is like this. Here is A, this is B, C, this is D. Now, A is plus Q, B is 2Q, C is 4Q, and D is 2Q. Draw the diagram. This will be ED, this will be EA, this will be EB, this will be EC. So, solution of this question. Let diagram have you drawn?
Yes, sir, drawn.
Okay, no problem then. The internet is disturbing a lot. The solution will be EA, EB, EC, and ED. These four are the direction of electric field, and your diagram was like this. Here is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Next, this is ED, EA, EB, EC. This is Q, 2Q, 4Q, and again 2Q. So EA will be how much? Absolute value of EA. Again, you will be writing 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R square. This is the formula of electric field. For A, for EB, again, value of charge is how much? B, you should check 2Q. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2Q upon R square. This is second. Third one is for EC. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. What is the value of charge at C? 4Q. 4Q upon R square. This is third equation. What will be ED? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Charge at D is 2Q. So write 2Q upon R square. This is fourth equation. Any problem?
No, sir.
Now you see EB and ED, they are opposite to each other.
Yes, sir.
So EB, this is equal to minus ED.
Minus ED.
These two are equal and opposite, so they will cancel each other. So EB plus ED will be 0. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No. So resultant electric field E is equal to resultant E. This is equal to EA plus EB plus EC plus ED. EB plus ED will be 0. You substitute the value of EA and AC. EA plus EC. This will be your resultant electric field. So let us do EC plus EA. So E is equal to absolute E is equal to EC minus EA, because they both are in opposite direction. So we'll put minus sign.
Yes, sir.
So right here 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 4Q upon R square minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. What will be the difference of these two? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 4Q minus Q will become 3Q upon R square. You know how to substitute the values? Value of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught will be how much? 9 multiplied by 10 to the power 9. So substitute this value, Newton meter square per coulomb square. So 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton meter square per coulomb square into 3. What is the value of charge? 4 into 10 to the power minus 6 upon radius of that circle is 2 meters. Right here 2 meters. You know how to solve it? 2 to the 4, this 4 cancel. So you'll get 9 3 to 27, 10 to the power 9 and 10 to the power minus 6. It will become 10 to the power 3. So again put a decimal, 2.7 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per coulomb. What will be direction? Direction will be EC is greater than EA. So E will act in the direction of EC. Any problem? This is the answer of this question. Solution is over. Have you written?
Yes, sir.
Understood also?
Yes, sir.
Everybody has written?
Yes, sir.
We'll go for another question. This question is in the derivation form. You practice it as a derivation. Your problem is a particle of mass m, a particle of mass m, and charge q is released from rest in a uniform electric field of intensity E. Calculate the kinetic energy it attains after moving a distance x between the plates. Let us solve it. Question first you should see. A particle of mass m and charge q is released from rest in a uniform electric field of intensity E. Calculate the kinetic energy it attains after moving a distance x. So a particle is moving. What is the force acting on a particle? Force
Sir, and
Q into E, no?
yes, sir.
Acting on the charge Q. That charge also. It will have two force, electrostatic force also. Gravitational force is not there. So because of that only it will get velocity. So force acting on the charge Q in the electric field of intensity E in electric field of intensity capital E. This will be equal to F is equal to Q into E. Are you following it?
Yes, sir.
Calculate acceleration, and we know that F is equal to m into a. So calculate it. M into a is equal to F divided by m. Force divided by mass will be your acceleration. Substitute the value of force. F will be equal to QE upon m. Any problem?
No, sir.
No. I should change the page.
Yes, sir.
Next part of this question. Do you know second equation of motion? V square minus U square is equal to 2AS.
Yes, yes.
So substitute in this. Is initial velocity will be 0. V square is equal to 2AX because displacement of the particle will be x. So at the place of A, you write 2. What you have got the acceleration previously? QE divided by m into x. Kinetic energy of the particle. Thus, the kinetic energy of particle. Do you know the formula of kinetic energy? Half mv.
MV, sir.
Yes, this is mv square. Substitute here. Half m 2 QE divided by m into x. So mm cancel, 2 cancel. You'll get QEX. Till here is the solution. This is the last step. Kinetic energy is equal to QEX. Have you understood?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir, in question, it is given calculate this kinetic energy it attains after moving a distance x.
Huh.
So it is given after moving a distance x.
So after moving a distance x, its velocity will be how much? This much.
Yes, sir.
So this, it will have this much kinetic energy after moving that distance.
Oh, okay. Yes, sir, understood.
Understood?
Yes.
Let us do next. A point charge a point charge of 5 a point charge of 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb experiences a force of 2 multiplied by 10 to the power minus.
Sir, 10 to the power minus.
I'm writing it. That place is not for writing and I was moving my pen. So I will erase 10 to the power minus 3 Newton when kept in a uniform electric field. So you have to find E. Do you know the formula? Q is how much? 5 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. F is equal to how much? 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 Newton. What we have to find? E. Do you know the formula of E? Just now we have used. We know that F is equal to Q into E. What you have to find in this? E is equal to F divided by Q. Will you able to finish it?
Yes, sir.
Do it.